Welcome back to the Health Guide. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Matt and I will be your guide to help you pick out the best ideas for your daily health. Don't forget to give this video a like. This will help the video to get better reach and help more people. 11 healthy salad recipes for weight loss. Once upon a time, vegetarian salads were described as just lettuce and tomatoes, with some commenting who orders that. But thanks to a few chefs and other food enthusiasts, vegetarian salads started to probe both our appetite and imagination, with veggies going from being a supporting act to the main event. Ricotta, mushrooms, feta, sun-dried tomatoes, bell peppers, parsley, tarragon and garlic. These ingredients can be used to make a number of stellar dishes. You can also dress them up real nice. Yogurt-based dressings, balsamic vinegar, cold-pressed oils, cherry vinegar, herbs and warm spices. You can literally pick anything under the sun. Before we get to some of the smashing vegetarian salad recipes we were talking about, we've got a few exciting tips for you that'll help you build an all-rounder salad that's not just a 10 on 10 in terms of taste, but brimming with all kinds of essential nutrients and minerals. 1. Go green. Build a strong foundation before you get to the finer details. So pick lettuce, beans, broccoli and other greens as they'll fare as the most important and healthiest part of your salad. Why go green? Because green foods are a great source of phytonutrients. They help you regulate blood sugar during the day and are packed with fiber and water. 2. Time for fiber. Lentils and legumes, flax seeds, chia seeds and hemp seeds are all rich in fiber and work well in salads. High-fiber foods take longer to digest, so they keep you full for longer. Fiber also helps with weight loss and maintains smooth function of the gastric system. 3. Eat more protein. You can get protein in your diet without having to chow down chicken or fish. Quinoa, buckwheat, soy, tofu, cottage cheese. These are all some great options that go well in a salad and in fact complement all the other seasonal produce you plan to use. Protein helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases and lowers blood pressure. 4. A handful of nuts. Nuts lend a great texture to salads. Try almonds, walnuts, pistachio, pine nuts and pecans. All of them work well. Nuts are also a powerhouse of energy, full of natural fiber, proteins, minerals, and even unsaturated fats. 5. What's in season? Pick the best of what's in season, for it will be fresh and flavorful. It'll also be lighter on your budget. This means that pick up bright bell peppers, pumpkins, zucchini, mangoes, melons in the summers, and cauliflower, peas and the like in the winter. Now that you've got all you need to make yourself a warm and hearty vegetarian salad, let's move on to 10 genius recipes. Here are 11 best vegetarian salad recipes you must try. 1. Carrot salad with black grape dressing. Carrots, almonds, raisins, and spring onions work together to create a gorgeous dessert that's not only light on the stomach but also really refreshing. This healthy recipe has it all that takes to fight those extra pounds. 2. Barley salad. Toss up some red and yellow bell pepper, sun-kissed corn, cooked barley, garlic, parsley, and a handful of other herbs for a salad so bright and healthy it'll make you want more. Barley is a good source of soluble and insoluble fiber, vitamins, essential minerals, antioxidants, and phytochemicals, which are believed to lower the risk of heart disease and diabetes. 3. Green bean salad. A simple and quick salad that'll only take you 15 minutes and 5 ingredients. Garlic, green beans, pepper, salt, and olive oil. Green beans are rich in vitamins A, C, and K. They are a good source of folic acid and heart-protective calcium and fiber. You can leave out the eggs from the recipe. 4. Green apple salad. A Thai-inspired salad that's made with everything green, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Healthy, refreshing, and ever so delightful. This recipe should be up on every fitness enthusiast's diet chart. 5. Leafy salad with walnuts. A salad with different textures, nuts, vinegar, cherry tomatoes, crunchy lettuce, and Chinese cabbage. Leafy greens are a good source of fiber and essential antioxidants. Fiber makes you feel full and keep cravings at bay. 6. Pickled beetroot with feta. A really creative salad made with a reduction of wine, vinegar, and sugar. The only other things you need are beetroot, feta cheese, pepper, green olives, cilantro, and just a pinch of salt. 7. Chipotle and toasted walnut wheat berry salad. Carrots, thyme, walnuts, wine vinegar, raisins, and a few more ingredients give you a salad that's slightly sweet, crunchy, and a winner of a dish. 8. Crunchy ribbon salad. A whole lot of green, carrots and cucumber shredded real fine, cherry tomatoes, and a mix of black and green olives. 9. Mediterranean watermelon salad, a refreshing salad that needs only around 20 minutes. Watermelon cubes, cucumbers, onions, pomegranate juice, mustard paste, and a few more basic ingredients you'll find stocked somewhere in your kitchen cabinets. 10. Quinoa lentil salad made with the goodness of quinoa. Asparagus, lentils, pomegranate. Some tangy mustard dressing and moussambay juice. This one's a real power booster. Quinoa is rich in protein, is cholesterol-free, gluten-free, and a low GI food. It is an excellent source of various important phytochemicals and vitamin E. It is rich in healthy fats too. 11. Mixed bean salad rich with weight loss-friendly protein and fibers. This fresh spin on salad is sure to impress. This salad is made with the goodness of dried beans, capsicum, and tomatoes dressed in sweet and sour flavors, and is perfect for days you want to keep it light. Salads are a great option for those looking to switch to healthy eating, according to Wayne Campbell, professor of nutrition science at Purdue University in the United States. Eating a salad with a variety of colorful vegetables provides several unique types of carotenoids, including beta-carotene, lutein, zeaxanthin, and lycopene. So go and try all these salads at home and switch to healthy eating in an instant. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit likes, subscribe, and the notification bells to receive more health guide on the daily. Since we are new to YouTube, anything you can do will help us grow and most definitely encourage us to make more videos like this in the future. Are you agree with our list today? We love to hear from you in the comments section. See you soon. Thank you for watching.